วัสดีค่ะ Today I'm going to make the Thai traditional food or we call น้ำพริกกะปิ Very much like the chili dripping sauce we eat along with fresh vegetables or steamed vegetables and alongside with the Spanish mackerel or the Thai called platua. But because I live in UK at the moment, so I would believe for my fans, the UK fans or people around the world, you can use the fish, the local fish or the sea fish in your own places. Also, I use salmon, the grilled salmon this time. Or you can also use cod, or you can use sea bass, fly sea bass, fly cod. As you can see, my t-shirt is represent Thailand, the tuk-tuk. The tuk-tuk is the three bicycle run by the motorbike, the motor running, and also if you've been to Thailand, you know it's so amazing to traveling on a city tour by tuk-tuk. And if you go to Thailand, I would like all the Thai people and myself would like to welcome all of you to Thailand, visiting the Grand Palace, the Emerald Buddha, or the historical park such as Sukhothai and Ayutthaya is one of our well-known world heritage as well. As I know, it's the situation right now, it might not be able to for all the foreigners to traveling to Thailand. But when is the situation getting better, all the Thai people would like all of you and welcome all of you to come to our country to visit our culture, our historical site, food, and our Thai smile. All the beautiful hotel would love to invite, to services all of you. And now I would like to making a Thai tradition food, as I just mentioned earlier, น้ำพริกกะปิ So how to make it? Let me show you what do you have to prepare to make น้ำพริกกะปิ. First of all, you need the fresh garlic. Peel the fresh garlic, and you need a finger chili, either red or green, or you can mix together to make it more colorful. But if you cannot take too spicy, please put a little first. Don't have to put too much. But as I am Thai, I love spicy food, so I'm gonna add a few more. Let's say for 2 person, you can add about 4 or 5 chilies if you don't like too spicy. But if you love spicy food, you can add 6 to 7. It depends on what you like. And I add 3 garlic at this side. Also, they have very small garlic, the Thai style garlic. If you use the Thai garlic, you can add about 6 or 7 or 10. It's up to you how much you like the garlic. And also, that you cannot forget that we have a fish sauce. But please taste first. After you grinding the garlic and the chili, you grinding to make it blend together, and then you add the prawn paste. Can I just give me a few seconds? I just like to present the prawn paste, but we also have the one made in Thailand and our neighbor country. Just 1 second, I'll be back in a second. This is our prawn paste, and I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon, 1 or 1.5 teaspoon. So it depends. If you add too much, it's too salty because the prawn paste is made from little prawn marinade and salt, sea salt. So it's already salty. So please taste before you mix with any fish sauce sauce, it might turn to be too salty. So this chili sauce or Nampi Kapi is supposed to be spicy, sour with lime, and little touch of sweet. So I'm just about to add half a teaspoon of brown sugar, just to cut off the taste of spicy and sour and salty. So when we blend it all together, it's gonna have these three tastes: spicy, sour, and a little bit of salty. So I'm gonna add some lime. So you use the lime or add the lime. I use 2 slices of lime. Can I show you? This is the lime I use. And I add another one of the lime juice. You squeeze into it and just try to blend it gently together because it's quite thick. So either you can add warm water or the mineral water, still water. Some people use clear soup. The clear soup have to be like soup that you make from stock, then without mixing with any herb or any vegetable. So purely clear soup. You can also use that, just add instead of fresh water. So I just want to make it lighter so the sauce can mix and blend it all together pretty well. That's it. That's what we can make it absolutely Nampi Kapi today. So it's quite simple and very easy. So this Thai traditional food Nampi Kapi is very well known for Thai people. Today I put in a little tomato. I cut tomato little. So and I just put the sauce Nampi Kapi into it. You just use a little teaspoon, pick it up, serving on your rusty rice. So what you're supposed to eat with, fish, but because I can't find the Spanish mackerel today, it's quite difficult to live in UK. You can't find platu, we call platu the Spanish mackerel. So I use the grilled salmon instead. And the way to cook the salmon is just fry on the pan, and I just show you, and just had a little touch of salt or sea salt before you fry it, and add with cooking oil. That's all. So you just decorate your plate beautifully the way you like. I decorate with vegetables. This is what it's going to turn to be like. This Nampi Kapi with grilled salmon today. So please enjoy your meal and welcome all of you back to Thailand. When the situation in Thailand getting better, we are the Thai people looking forward to see you soon. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy our Thai traditional dishes. This one is called Nampi Kapi. See you next time. Please follow my page, YouTube page, P.No, with capital A, I-R, small p, hyphen, N-O-N-G. And see you soon. If you follow all my page, you probably could see some lot of Thai dishes and Chinese, also some in Thai, some in English. But please welcome everyone to join our page. Thank you very much for viewer. Thank you. Bye. วัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ